Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, we will do unboxing, or should I say unwrapping. um so I got this item. It was delivered yesterday. I ordered it April 13 and delivered yesterday, so it's like 7 business days before it was delivered, so it's kind of quick. And I ordered this from Soulmia collection, and it was my first time to try this online shopping store. I just got curious with their clothes, with their dresses, because they look cheeky and stylish. So I ordered 3 items from Soulmia collection. So let's see how they look like. I'm so excited. And by the way, guys, if you'll be interested to order also in Soulmia collection, I will put their link in my below description. But first, don't forget to like the video, guys, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's start opening this. It's hard to open it. You know, guys, since pandemic started, I got, used to ordering online or do my shopping online. So, and Soulmia, I just discovered it from my Facebook, because it's now springtime and then summer is coming, so I really got excited seeing these lovely 3 dresses. So the first one, so it's 3, guys, different prints, 3 different prints. I'll show you the first one. Let me open it. So usually my size is small size. So all these dresses I got are all in size small. See this striped dress here? Okay. Oh, they got a thank you letter. Thank you letter. Thank you for your purchase. It's our great honor to serve for lovely you, and your satisfaction is always what we strive for. Okay, you're welcome. Wow, I love the color, guys. See, it's a V-neck, it's a stripe. I love the color and the style. It's a V-neck strapless. See, later on I will try everything so you can really see how it looks like, guys. Woo! Okay, this is the first dress. Let me show you everything first and then I will try it on later, so you'll have idea how, the fit, how it will fit, how the fit will be. Ooh, oh, see, it's nice. See the style. I love the fabric, soft fabric. This is also soft, but this is more softer, the blue one. This is a flower design, flower print. It has a nice, for those who love, I don't know how to explain it, showing a little, to emphasize your collarbone here. Okay, I will just show it to you. I think it's more better to fit, to fit this, and so you'll see how it looks like. So the third one, okay, this is a halter dress. Wow. So all summer design. Okay, let me just try it all, so it will give you a more idea of the dresses. See you! Stay tuned! So this is the first dress, guys. The striped blue dress. See, it's deep neckline, V-neck. Very summer look. And it's garterized here. It's adjustable here. It's really comfortable, and it's just above my knee. The length is above me. Above my knee. So this is small size, guys. Okay, I'll show you the second one, and then later on, guys, please let me know which of the dress fit me beautifully, the most pretty on me. Okay, next dress is coming. So this is the second dress. Ooh, summer, it's really summer. Second dress. Okay. So, see? It will show you your shoulder. Those women who love showing their shoulder but not really bearing it all. I can feel it. So, this is also above the knee. The length is above the knee. It's also soft, light dress. Comfy. It's also comfy. I'm so ready for the summer, guys. This is also in size small. So third dress is coming. Wait and see. So this is the third dress. It's a halter dress. It's a halter dress. Okay. This is also a small size. And then the length is also above the knee. I just have a little comment about, the side cut here. It's so deep that it will show your undergarment. So make sure to wear something nice underneath, like tube or a nice undergarment. Ready for summer. Summer, summer it is. So which one is your favorite? So the first, give me your idea, guys. Give me your advice. Which one is your favorite on me? Or your favorite for yourself or on me? The first, the second, or the third? But for my personal opinion, I like the first 1 and 2. That's my favorite. This is my least favorite. I think I like halter dresses, but this is my only, this is not what I really like because it's so deep cut in here. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not used to, showing more of my undergarment. I'm not sure. It's also cute. It's also nice. But the first one and the second is my favorite. Okay, give me your comments, guys. Which one do you like? Ooh. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for being with me. Please don't forget to like the video, and then if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day, everyone. Stay safe. Bye.